Hi, it's James, aka Batman Fan. This is going to be an unboxing video. Something I bought on eBay. Because on the 27th of May, I bought 3 Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles posters. Which were Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 2 one sheet Maxi poster, 61 cm times 91.5 cm, new. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 2 group Maxi poster, 61 cm times 91.5 cm, new, sealed. And Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Michelangelo Maxi poster, 61 cm times 91.5 cm, new. They were dispatched on the 28th of May and I picked them up on the 2nd of June. And if I can show you them, this is what the rolls or the things were like. I haven't opened them yet, as you may or may not be able to see. I don't need to cover that bit up. As you can see, that's the front side. So here we go with the live unboxing. Bear with me a second while I open it. And it's not going to pause. Ooh. Right, bear with me while I just go and get something to open it with. Right, as you can see, I've just opened the top bits, so hopefully they should come out fairly simple. Got my finger. Sorry, just bang my knee. I don't know if this is actually coming out or not. I should have probably done this before, but I didn't think it was actually going to be niggly piggly as it is right now. So there you are. I've just done half of that. As you can see, it does look a little bit more, even though you still can't obviously get, I still can't get into them yet because I've got to do 2 sides yet. As you can see, I'm just ripping off the label that I should have done this probably before I started, but hey ho, live and learn. And then I've just got to do this side as well, and I will start with the first one, whichever one I come with, which I'm hoping will be the Michelangelo one. As I say, I'm just ripping these apart now because I should have done this before I started, but I didn't know if I was actually going to do this one today or not. But right, I'll do the rest while I'm doing this. So whichever one I'm going to, because now you can see we've got 3 of the tubes. Now I've actually separated them, so I don't know which one's which. I don't know which one's going to be the Michelangelo or which one's which, but as I say, we will find out when we open the tubes, or the end. I don't know. Yes, I did put 2 ends on there, so let's have a look. I've just opened this end, so if we flip the thing, and that's just gone on the floor, which shouldn't have done. Oh no, I just found it, I think. Yes, found it. And this does, as you can see, this is one of them. I think it's the Michelangelo one, probably. Yes, it's the Michelangelo one, because it does say like Mikey, as you may or may not be able to see on there. So that is the, I've just opened the wrong thing. That was the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Michelangelo Maxi poster one. So that's that one. So as I say, I've just put that one on the floor, and I will obviously open them in. I will open them out the packets in due course. So this is tube number 2. And what this one is, I have not got a clue, because obviously I didn't do it in, well, I did do it in the order I thought it might be, but we'll see which one this one is. And into the out of the shadows, which I think will be the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 2 group maxi poster. I think that one is that one. Let me just see if you can see. Yes, can you see? Okay, yeah, that's the second one. So that can go on the floor like so. So that's 2. So I only need 1 more, and then we can open them up in due course. I didn't think this one was these ones were actually going to be, well, I thought they might be a little bit awkward, because it was only like a small, like there were only 3, but it was in such a small load. I thought it would actually not be as bad, which it hasn't been that bad. I haven't actually managed to get most of them open, apart from one that's actually being a bit of a pig, which is this one. And I'm going to dump the rubbish on my desk or the sellotape on my desk for now. And as you can see, this is still being a bit awkward to actually open, which I thought I was going to get one that was actually going to be a bit of a awkward one. There's probably quite a few people that would say already, why didn't you do it before? But it's because I didn't know I was actually going to do this one today. But I might have another video at some point today of another Turtles poster, so I'm going all Turtles at the moment. And this one is the other Turtles one, which will be right. So this is the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 2 one sheet maxi poster. So we started with the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 2 Michelangelo maxi poster, which is that one there, as you may or may not be able to see. Then we did the And we did the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 2 group maxi poster, which is that one there. And then we did the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 2 one sheet maxi poster, which is that one there. So it just leaves me to say, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video if you like. Right, until the next Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles posters unboxing 2, it just needs me to say peace.